Craving key lime pie? These key lime pie energy bites are perfect. Don't worry about writing the recipe down. I'm going to put it in the description below. We're going to take oats and just toast them for a little bit in the oven, 350 degrees, and it just increases the flavor. Make sure that there's no bacteria, makes it a little safer. You can skip this if you want, but we're going to add those oats to our food processor. And to that, we have got dates that we've soaked to make sure that they're nice and soft. Now, be sure to pop the end off if your dates have ends, and make sure that you have pitted them. I'm using Bari, I think that's how you pronounce it, dates. You could use whatever dates you prefer. I just had these on hand and they are caramel-like and delicious. Let me know in the comments if you've ever tried the type of date. We're also adding raisins, and we're adding a little bit of cinnamon and that key lime zest. If you don't have key limes, you can use a regular lime. The key lime's just a little bit more tart, and we're adding a little peanut butter. You can add your favorite nut butter or seed butter. We just need that fat to help these hold together. And it's delicious. We're adding a pinch of salt. You can omit that if you are salt-free. And we are going to add that lime juice. That little key lime is so tart and so delicious. Let me know if you prefer those or lemons. I just love lime. So we're going to process that in the food processor until you can form balls. You can add a teaspoon of water at a time if you need it. But with my recipe, because I soaked the dates, I didn't need any water. And we're going to roll that in a ball. I'm going to roll mine in coconut sugar and in shredded coconut. Some are in coconut sugar, some are in coconut. And they are delicious. Refrigerate them for a little bit because they just get better the longer they set. Let me know how you like them. If you like that recipe, subscribe to the channel. I make new recipes every week, and I help women over 40 lose weight without dieting.